If you're wondering whether the AWS Cloud Practitioner course on Coursera is worth taking, the short answer is yes, especially if you're new to cloud computing or Amazon Web Services. In this video, I'll explain why and help you decide if it's the right choice. Before we begin, check the link in the description. Coursera is currently offering 40% off the monthly Coursera Plus plan for your first 3 months. If you're planning to earn multiple AWS certificates, it's an excellent value. Let's get started. The best place to begin is AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials from Amazon Web Services. This beginner course has a 4.8-star rating from more than 2,000 reviews. It teaches core AWS services, cloud infrastructure, cloud security, storage, networking, databases, and cloud architecture. If you've never used AWS before, this is the course I recommend. After completing it, you can move on to AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam Prep. This specialization focuses on certification topics such as cloud solutions, infrastructure, networking, cost management, and AWS best practices. It's a good choice if you're preparing for the certification exam. Another excellent beginner option is AWS Cloud Technical Essentials. It has earned a 4.8-star rating and covers Amazon EC2, S3, IAM, CloudWatch, cloud security, and other core AWS services through practical examples. Once you've built your foundation, consider the AWS Cloud Solutions Architect Professional Certificate. It goes beyond the cloud practitioner level and teaches cloud architecture, scalability, security, and solution design. It's ideal if you're planning a long-term AWS career. So, is the AWS Cloud Practitioner course worth it? Yes, if you're a beginner. It gives you a solid understanding of AWS services and prepares you for more advanced certifications. However, if you already have hands-on AWS experience, you may be better off starting with the Solutions Architect learning path instead. Many of these AWS courses are included with Coursera Plus. That means you can prepare for the Cloud Practitioner exam and continue into more advanced AWS certifications without paying for each course individually. If you'd like to explore these AWS Cloud Practitioner courses, or claim the current Coursera Plus discount, you'll find both links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.